Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Mia.
And I'm Leo.
Today we're having a real English conversation about daily life.
This is how English speakers actually talk every single day.
You'll learn natural phrases, common expressions, and by the end of this video,
You'll be able to talk about your daily life in English.
so stay with us and hey, let's get started.
Before we start, I have a question for you.
What time do you usually wake up?
Write it in the comments. Say, I wake up at, and then the time.
We'll read your comments later. Okay, Leo, let's start our conversation.
So Mia, how was your morning today?
Oh, it was pretty good. I woke up at 7 a.m.
7 a.m. That's early.
Yeah, I'm an early bird. What about you?
I woke up at 8:30. I hit the snooze button 3 times.
Oh, you're not a morning person.
No, definitely not. So we just used 2 important phrases.
Early bird means someone who wakes up early.
And not a morning person means you don't like waking up early.
Which one are you? Comment below. Are you an early bird or not a morning person?
Okay, Mia, after you woke up, what did you do?
Well, first I made my bed.
Wow, good habit.
Then I brushed my teeth, washed my face, and got dressed.
Let's repeat those actions together.
Oh, made my bed, brushed my teeth, washed my face, got dressed. Try saying it with us. Repeat.
What about breakfast? What did you eat?
I had toast with avocado and a cup of coffee.
Ooh, fancy. I just had cereal.
Simple and fast.
Exactly. Notice we said I had, not I ate.
In English, we usually say I had breakfast or I had toast.
It sounds more natural.
So tell us, what did you have for breakfast today?
All right, so we talked about waking up and breakfast.
Next, let's talk about work and daily activities.
But first, if you're learning something new, hit that like button.
It helps us know you're enjoying the lesson. So Leo, what did you do after breakfast?
I got ready for work. I left the house at 9 a.m.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes.
Not bad. I work from home, so I just walk to my desk.
No commute.
Quick question. How do you get to work or school?
Do you drive, take the bus, walk?
Or do you work from home like me?
Let us know in the comments. So, Mia, what's a typical day at work for you?
Well, I usually start by checking my emails.
Yeah, me too.
Then I have a meeting at 10 a.m.
Notice she said I have a meeting, not I do a meeting.
Right. We have meetings, have lunch, have appointments. It's a very useful verb.
What about you? What do you do at work? I work in an office. I spend most of the day on the computer.
Oh, that can be tiring.
Yeah, but I take breaks. I get a lunch break at 1 p.m.
What do you usually do during lunch break?
Sometimes I eat with my coworkers. Other times I just eat alone and scroll through my phone.
Relatable.
Let's review some work vocabulary.
Listen and repeat.
I have a meeting.
I take a break.
I work in an office.
Great job. Okay, we've covered morning routines and work.
Now let's talk about something everyone loves.
Food.
Mia, what did you have for lunch today?
I made a salad with chicken.
You cooked?
Yeah, I'm trying to eat healthier.
Good for you. I ordered takeout.
What did you order?
Pizza. I know, not very healthy.
Hey, pizza's delicious. No judgment.
All right, your turn.
What's your favorite food? And do you like to cook or do you prefer ordering food?
Tell us in the comments.
Mia, let me ask you something.
Sure.
Do you meal prep?
Meal prep?
Yeah, it means you cook food for the whole week in advance.
Oh, no, I don't do that. Do you?
Sometimes. On Sundays, I cook a big batch of food.
That's smart. Saves time during week.
Exactly.
Here's a useful question you can use.
When someone tells you about their food, you can say, "How was it?" or "Was it good?"
Let me show you. I had sushi yesterday.
Oh, really? How was it?
It was delicious.
See? Natural conversation.
Awesome. We're halfway through.
If you're still watching, you're doing great. Drop a comment and say, "Still here," so we know you're with us.
So, Mia, what time do you finish work?
Usually around 5 p.m. What about you?
Same, around 5 or 5:30.
And what do you do after work?
Well, first I go home.
Obviously.
Then I change into comfortable clothes.
Oh, yes. First thing I do too.
Right? Work clothes are not comfortable.
Quick vocabulary.
When we change into comfortable clothes, we can say,
I change into my comfy clothes.
or I put on something comfortable,
Or even, I get into my pajamas.
if you're staying home.
So after you change, what do you do?
Sometimes I watch TV.
What do you like to watch?
I'm really into crime shows right now.
Oh, me too. Have you seen... Hold on, we're getting off topic.
Haha, sorry, we got too excited. But that's real conversation. We get distracted sometimes.
Okay, let's ask you.
What do you do in your free time?
Do you watch TV, read, exercise?
Or maybe you study English?
I hope so.
Let us know in the comments. Mia, do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I love painting.
Really? What do you paint?
Mostly landscapes. You know, nature, mountains, trees.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. What about you? Any hobbies?
I like playing guitar.
Oh, how long have you been playing?
About 5 years now.
Notice the question, how long have you been playing?
This is a great question to ask about hobbies.
You can say, how long have you been doing that?
All right, we're almost done.
Just one more topic.
Weekend plans.
Stay with us. Leo, do you have any plans for this weekend?
Yeah, I'm gonna meet up with some friends on Saturday.
Oh, fun. What are you guys going to do?
We're gonna grab dinner and maybe watch a movie.
That sounds nice. What about you? Any plans?
I'm gonna stay home and relax.
Nothing wrong with that. I might do some painting. Maybe watch Netflix.
Notice we use going to for future plans.
I'm going to meet friends.
I'm going to stay home.
I'm going to watch a movie.
Perfect. Now your turn.
What are your plans for the weekend?
Write in the comments, I'm going to, and then your plan.
We want to know. Wow, we covered so much today.
Let's do a quick review.
We talked about morning routines,
Work and daily activities,
food and meals,
evening and free time.
and weekend plans.
Now you can talk about your daily life in English.
If you learned something new today, please hit that like button.
And subscribe to our channel, Speak Loom Studio, for more real English conversations.
We post new videos every week.
Also, check out this video.
It's about English conversation at a restaurant.
Perfect for continuing your practice.
Before you go, remember.
Practice is the key to learning English.
So, write your answers in the comments.
Tell us about your daily life.
We'll read them and reply.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.